Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we'll solve question number 18 of exercise 15.1 from chapter 15 CBSE class 12 math. Now here the question is a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn randomly from the box, then find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. Then the second bit question is a perfect square. The third bit question is a number divisible by 5. Okay. Now, how to solve this question? First of all, we have to understand this question. What is given and what we have to find out. Now here, look here, there are 90 discs are there. Okay. They are numbered from 1 to 90. That means just like this. Suppose imagine that these are the discs. Okay. So there are 90 number of discs are there. Okay. Now they are numbered like this 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot, last is 90. Okay. Now if I take out any disc randomly, that means blindly you have to take out one disc from it. Okay. Now the question is, what is the probability that the disc which is taken out by me randomly that bears a 2-digit number? Then second bit question is that the disc which is taken out bears a perfect square number, and third bit is the disc may bear a number divisible by 5. Okay. So this is all about the question, okay, that we have to answer. Now what we'll do, let us solve question number 1 first. Okay. Now first of all, bit 1 question, write down, let A be the event of getting a 2-digit number, getting a 2-digit number. Okay. Now if A be the event of getting the 2-digit number, then the event A will contain which outcomes? You know, 2-digit number starts from 10 and ends at 99. But here, since the discs are numbered from 1 to 90, so the last 2-digit number will be 90. Okay. So that means the 2-digit number starts from 10 and ends at 90. In case of this disc, okay, since the discs are numbered from 1 to 90. So the how many 2-digit numbers are there? That is from 10 to 10, 11, 12 to up to 90. Okay. So these are the outcomes of the event A. Okay. Then you can say the number of favorable outcomes to, let me erase this one, to event A is how many? Number of favorable, that is 10 to 90, that is 90 minus 10 plus 1. So that is 81. So total 2-digit numbers from 10 to 90 is 81. Okay. Then total. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 90. Okay. Because we are taking one disc from 90 number of discs. That means you can take any disc out of these 90s in 90 ways. Okay. So that is why the total number of possible outcomes is 90. So probability of this event A is equal to possible number of possible outcomes by total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that is 81 by 90. So I will cancel it by 9, so it becomes 9 by 10. Okay, so this is the answer of bit 1. Okay, let us erase this one, then we will do question number bit 2. Okay, bit 2 question. Now bit 2 question. Similarly, write down, let B be the event of getting a perfect square, getting a perfect square. Okay, then the event B will contain which outcomes? You know, 1 is a perfect square, then 4, then 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, then 9 square 81, then 10 square 100. So you cannot take 100 because the discs are numbered from 1 to 90. Okay, so you cannot take 100. Now from 1 to 81, so these are the outcomes of event B, since these are the perfect square number. Okay, then you write down the number of favorable outcomes to event B is how many? Just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is 9. So then total possible number of outcomes is equal to 90. So probability of the event B is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So 9 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 10 if we will cancel it by 9. Okay, so this is the answer of bit 2 question. Now we will solve bit 3. Okay. Now bit 3. So write down a number divisible by 5. This is the question. So write down, let C be the event of getting a number divisible by 5. Okay. Now if C be the event of getting a number divisible by 5, that means C contains the outcomes which are multiples of 5. Okay. Now so the event C will contain outcomes 5, multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, then 50, 55, 60, 65, then 70, 75, then 80, 85, then last one is 90. You cannot take 95 and more than that, because 90 is the last number which appears on the disk. Okay. Now so write down number of favorable. So number of favorable outcomes to event C is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So write down here 18. Okay. Then total possible number of outcomes, okay, will be 90. Okay. Then so probability of C, so probability of C is equal to how much? favorable number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So that is 18 by 90. Okay. Now if you cancel it by 18, it will be 18 ones are 18, then 18 5. Okay. So 1 by 5 is the answer. I hope you will like this video. If you really like this video, please guys don't hesitate to subscribe this channel. Okay. Goodbye. Take care.